Hello, how are you guys? Welcome to my channel. Yes, it's me again, Glenda Tobias. Today I'm going to try to do a tutorial makeup known as FOXY EYES. It's gonna be a double challenge for me because I don't used to be tutorial makeup and I never try speaking English. So yes, I'm really nervous. I don't know if I can do it. I'm gonna try to do a foxy eye. That means you have to lift your eyes like this, I suppose. It's my first time doing, so I never did before. So yeah, it's gonna be like experiment for me, okay? Principle, the first step is your eyebrow. Yes, you have to do your eyebrow like from like this, like it's supposed from the beginning, like something like, I'm not sure how I gonna do because had to be like from here up, and then all this you see it had to disappear. But no, I don't gonna delete I don't gonna cut my eyebrow. Just I gonna put makeup here, like you can see it, like a little concealer. Yes, concealer here in the end. So yeah, I'm gonna try to do it right now, okay? And we start. So first I gonna take this pencil and then I gonna see where it's going. The line is supposed had to be here. You see this line, a straight line I did with the eyeliner. CoverGirl Professional. The color is 505 Midnight Brown. I'm gonna try to do a straight line from here to here, and then here there's a few eyebrow left, no, hair left. So yes, so let me try if I can do. Oh, and then I forgot, I already did my makeup, my base, and my, and I put bronze here. So yes, a little my contour, and then that's everything. That's all that I made before. Just, and then now I'm gonna do my eyebrows, okay? This is looking weird. Oh my god. If you had your eyebrow like me, like really high from here, this is gonna be really hard for you to do it. Like my eyebrow now is really deep, no, wide. Yeah, it's really wide. Oh, by the way, I'm using now like the Anastasia for eyebrows. Anastasia color soft brown. So now I'm looking like Vicente Fernandez. Oh my god. That's my eyebrow, but I don't want cut it. I'm gonna put concealer. This is Too Faced. It's the color, what is the color? Porcelain. Yeah, porcelain. Maybe worth. Anastasia 2 is a color, what is soft brown. Beverly Hills. Maybe it's not too bad, right? So now I'm gonna try it's supposed a little like color orange brown. so I don't have eyeliner, so this is for lipstick from Bebe. Where is right here, going like this. Think something like that. So okay, after that I had a palette Too Faced chocolate and then I think this palette is really famous and a little old, so maybe do you have this one? So I'm gonna use, I think, the color Cocoa Truffle, this color. Hopefully it's worth it. Okay, see how it works. Okay, I think I put too strong, so I'm gonna use the other one. It's the color this one, So Boy, I think say the name, So Boy. I'm gonna use this brush, maybe it's better. After that, we already blended all these. Yeah, maybe you can see. Oh, this the palette is still louder. Don't ask me what is the name because I don't have idea. Just I know the palette looks like this. Oops. Okay, and I'm gonna use this color more really strong. Now I already get my eyes looking like a little like this, right? I think. Now I'm gonna use browns, color browns, Tarte. The color is quirky, but I don't know where's the pronunciation. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna use this one for do a little more blended all these colors. Looks more natural. It's enough, right? That's the next step. Oh, I'm gonna put a little light here because I feel like it's too big, this part. I don't know how I can say one. Then I'm gonna use the color Rolling in Dove. My eyebrow is not perfect, like you can see right now. But I'm trying to do my best. The liner for do this part here. Okay, good luck for me. This one, Better Than Sex, is the name. Okay. So yeah, it had to look something like that. So from here to this. So now I think I'm getting the style from the FOXY Eye, like Heidi and the others. What do you think? You see my eye looks kind of like this, right? Black one. It's still louder black one. Okay, so I'm gonna do this line. Sorry if I'm looking down, but my mirror is here, so yeah. Wait, I think it's a shadow first. I had to put kind of shadow. Wait a minute. Drama liquid pencil, color Rose D'Or. Lancome is the brown. Okay, it's this one. So yeah, I already used the same eyeliner for do my inside. What do you think? I think it's looking good. Yeah, right? Hopefully. I'm gonna put mascara. The name's Down Girl from Too Faced, but I'm not sure about this one. This one is kinda, it's not really worth it for me. I don't know why. I didn't like this one. No, I think I'm gonna change for Perversion from Urban Decay. I like more this one. Okay, I'm gonna do my eyelashes and I'm gonna do my lipstick. Okay, so volveré en un minuto. I'm coming back in 1 minute. Okay. I hope you've been enjoying this video with my English. I try to do my foxy eye makeup, but it's only just for fun, and then I'm looking kinda weird. Let me know in the comments if you like or if I should do something different. Let me in the comments is my if you understand my English, or if you can correct me too, so I can to learn more. I'm sorry, I'm so nervous now, so that's why my English is kind of worse than ever. So yeah, but I'm so happy because I did my makeup and I tried to talk with you guys, and thank you for being here with me and watching. And please, if you like this video, leave my thumbs up, I think. Okay, thank you, and see you next video. I'm gonna try to do more. Maybe a little more fun than this one. This one I have a lot of problems doing with my camera, my lights and everything, so I kind of like, oh, maybe I don't have to do, but I'm done, so I'm so happy with that. Okay, thank you for being here and see you next video. ¿Qué piensan? ¿Lo hice bien o no? Foxy Eyes. ¿Quién sabe? Solo mis cejas de Vicente Fernández. ¿Ni la puedo levantar? Yo no soy yo, no la puedo levantar.